Hi, my name is Jeff Young from Dynamic Marching, and I'm sitting down today to talk with Kreke, Director of the Marching Band at Carmel High School, and we're going to talk a lot about visual performance ensemble. How many years have you been teaching and cleaning drill?
I've been at Carmel High School for 23 years, and I've actually been up top on the tower since about 2004.
So there's lots of marching bands out there, and I know lots of directors want to get better at teaching and cleaning drill. What do you think makes your style of teaching unique and successful?
I think part of it is just the process that we go through. It's very defined with students all the time. Anyone can teach kids to go stand on a bunch of dots on a football field. And we try to make sure that it is as organized as it possibly can be and that the kids are the main instructors in the process. You'll not see me do a whole lot other than give kids buzzwords and information and pace the rehearsal properly. We're trying to design this so that the kids are the cleaners and we're part of the process as well.